This is a fun necklace you can make using pre-made bead link chain. And what it is beads that are already linked together, so it really can save you some time. And I love the drapey effect. It looks great with so many different necklines. So the bead links chain comes like this. All the beads are linked together with eye pins, and lots of different color combinations, and you can choose the one that inspires you. What I love about it is you can separate the links to create your own patterns. So to get started with this type of necklace, what you'll want to do is notice the pattern of the beads. And you'll remove one section, spin it around so that you have a symmetrical pattern in the middle of your necklace. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just open up this link using my chain nose pliers, and by turning it to the side, I can connect the new part of the chain onto it. Okay, so you can see that then the pattern is symmetrical. Now I'm going to remove this last one here and attach another bead to it just to continue that pattern. And in a necklace that has so much going on like this, when you can create a little bit of symmetry, it makes the design feel more cohesive. So then you just close that link back together, and this is going to be the central scallop on the necklace. First, I'll attach the center petal of the scallops. So what you do is find the center point on your necklace. You want to make sure that your chain has an odd number of links. So determine your center point there, place it right at 0, and then count your links so that you can create that nice draped effect. You're going to open your link, and I'm just counting to the side to create this center scallop. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'll attach it to the 4th link on my chain. And then I'll show you what it looks like when you're starting to create the drape. Now, find your center place again. Attach your link on. Basically, you just want to create enough space here so that you have a nice even drape. So 1, 2, 3, and then we'll attach it to this 4th one, like that. And then place it onto your bust so that you can take a look at it. And by fastening your clasp, I like to use a necklace stand too for pieces like this, where it's important to get the right drape. Okay, so you can see my symmetrical pattern here in the center. Now I'm going to just leave the center space for this beaded chain that has the Swarovski pearls. So this one is going to go onto the center, and then you can create another scallop here. So by having it on your necklace bust, you can really adjust it just the way that you want. And I would just make sure that that same number of links on the other side of the necklace, like so. Then bring your other scallop. Again, I've rearranged my bead links so that they're symmetrical. And then I'm going to attach it here, and I'll just do an overlapping effect. So you could attach it here to this link on the chain where the previous one is attached, and then position it so that it's evenly spaced. And just slip it onto the chain and then close it using your chain nose pliers. And of course you would do the same thing on the other side. So let's take a look at the finished one. You can see that I've created the scallops, and I also added one across the center here just to fill in that extra space. That would be a fun place. Even if you wanted to add a pendant or something, you could do that. So this is a really simple way that you can layer all of those linked beads together to create this really luscious effect. And take a look at these other necklaces that I also used the links for. So the golden necklace has some little charms on the end, and same idea here. You can really take that bead links apart and separate it, turn it around to use it as links in your design to create that symmetrical pattern, and I love the cascading effect. I also use them to create just a simple drop necklace. This one, same idea again. You can see the repeating pattern of the beaded chain, and on the other side I just turned it end for end so that it would be symmetrical and create a nice foundation and backdrop for your pendant.